Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission at Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I'm going to let you know about the new Unacademy Plus courses which are just going to start in this new month. So guys, in May, there are many new courses which are going to start. Now, what are these courses, on what subjects we are having these courses, and how they will help you in doing the best preparation for the exam. So guys, these are the courses by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your exam preparation. So by attending the live sessions of all these courses, you will be able to take your preparation to the next level, and these courses will surely help you in doing the best preparation. So now let me just quickly tell you about all these new courses, so that if you want to attend the live sessions of these courses, you will be able to attend them after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, and you will not miss the sessions of these courses. So guys, there are courses on different subjects. Like the first one I have mentioned is for electromagnetic theory, then for quantum mechanics, for electronics, atomic and molecular physics. Then this is a practice course in which you will get like MCQs and previous year questions. Then comprehensive course on physical science. Then capsule course on important questions for physics, crash course on physical sciences through PYQs, then crash course on digital electronics, practice course on quantum mechanics through PYQs. That means previous year questions. Even along with these courses, there are many other courses which are already going on. So most of the courses I have mentioned here are the courses which are just going to start in this month. And guys, if you think like you want to attend the live sessions of all these courses and you don't want to miss any one of the sessions, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you can get the guidance by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. And guys, with the help of these courses, you will be able to do the best preparation in the remaining time before the exam, because the discussion which will be there in these courses will help you to prepare for this upcoming exam, which is most probably going to be in June. Clear? As per the information we are having till now. So guys, if you are having any queries, any questions, you can either let me know about that, or you can check the course structure for these courses in the Unacademy Learning app as well to know about the courses well. Clear? So that's how you will be able to do the best preparation and you will be able to know about the courses very well. One more information guys, that is by using the referral code which is Anjali Arora, in which you need to write the first A capital and no space in between. Okay, so write Anjali Arora together and don't leave any space in between. Apply the referral code and get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now one more thing guys, when you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get many benefits like weekly quizzes, mock tests, PDF of important notes. Okay, recordings of the live sessions will be available to you after the class. Also guys, mock test analysis session is also going to be there. Along with that, like you will get the guidance by the top educators, which will surely help you in doing the best preparation. So all these were the new Unacademy Plus courses which are going to start on Unacademy Plus in this month, that is in May. Clear? So thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope that this information is going to help you, and if you want to join the live sessions, you can take the subscription. Now, what are the steps to take the Unacademy Plus subscription? So step number 1 is download the Unacademy Learning app. Step number 2, log into the app. Step number 3, just select your goal, click on the 3 lines present in the left hand side corner, then click on plus, then click on get subscription and follow the further steps. At the place of referral code, write the referral code Anjali Arora, spelling should be right, clear, and apply it and get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.